Hello everyone, Annabella Rose here in yet another exciting video. Now I bet you're going to absolutely love this one because I'm going to love talking about it. In this video I'm going to be giving you a cheat sheet on how to get your woman addicted to you sexually so that she can't help but keep coming back for more. Now who better to give you this information than a woman herself? Now, of course, before we start, please click that cheeky subscribe button and turn on the notification as there's going to be so many more videos coming your way. And like I've always told you guys, I have still got your back. Now, gents, imagine having the power to please any woman to the extent that she wants to have sex with you all the time. Yes, that is possible. Wouldn't that be the dream, right? Well, the good news is you actually can. Orgasms are incredibly addictive. Brain scans of women show women's brains during orgasms appear similar to those people who actually take a shot of heroin. Due to the brain's ability to change its form and function, repeated orgasms can make a woman become addicted. All you have to do is give her a bunch of orgasms. Yeah, I know, easier said than done. Most women don't even get to one orgasm the first time she sleeps with a new man. With these tips, however, you will be her first. Now give her an orgasm during foreplay. Rarely do men do this. A good number of them, if not all, rush to the finish line, after which there's nothing else to do. So, if you want to get her addicted to you, strictly make her orgasm before the sexual act. You have the freedom to do this however you please. Use your tongue, use your fingers, and go for a toy if you must. Whichever means you choose, make sure you make her climax before sex. Make her squirt. Now, this could be difficult. According to statistics, only 12% of women aged between 18 and 25 have ever squirted. The chances that your woman has squirted before is rather slim, therefore. So it's needless to say that she'll certainly be addicted to you if you can pull off this sexual act and give her an experience that she's never had before. She will be craving your touch and presence. Now, to get her to do it, you will have to stimulate the G-spot. It's roughly 2 inches inside the vagina on the upper side. So guys, here's a killer tip. What you need to do, instead of moving your finger in an in and out motion, you need to do a come hither motion. As this momentum picks up, you can actually feel her and see her responding to what you're doing. You need to start going slowly and then getting farther and faster and responding to her body. Now, no matter what happens, do not stop, even when she's on the brink. You need to keep going, as there's a chance that you'll make her squirt a little bit more. Hey, so keep it up. Note, she might feel like she's about to pee. Don't worry, that's normal. So the feeling of peeing is the feeling you're gonna get right before a woman can orgasm and squirt. So, hey, you might get to squirt. She may also pee all over your bed. But it's all the fun and games when it comes to sex. Now, some women cannot squirt, but trying also stimulates her sexually and may lead to different types of orgasms, so stick with it and learn how she ticks. Have enough stamina to hold out for several orgasms. When a woman is with you for the very first time, she will naturally focus on you and your pleasure, and probably neglect hers. This happens to a good number of women, hence the reason why it's difficult for women to get to orgasm during the first time with someone. Therefore, if you can last 2 or 3 times, you will give her a chance to now concentrate more on herself. Hence, she's going to be more likely to climax. Now, gentlemen, I understand lasting up to 2 or more times might sound hilarious and unrealistic, but it's actually simpler than you think. After your first orgasm, switch to other forms of stimulation, like oral sex. You can go down on her until your mojo gets reignited, after which you can go for another round. Another way you can last up to 2 or 3 more times is trying the tantric sex, whose practices teach men how to get off several times in one session without ejaculation. Hence, no recovery time. The upside to this whole thing is that she's going to think that you are a sex ninja when you last 2 or 3 more times. And she's going to be telling all of her friends about it, and she is not going to let you go. Well, that's it guys. You now have the cheat sheet on how to get a girl addicted to you. Now, the good news is, even if you try one of these tips, you're probably going to still be one of the best lovers that she's ever had. Now, don't be shocked when she starts calling you up and showing up at your place just to do the deed. Sadly, that is all from me today. Guys, have you checked out my online program, The Sexual Master? I am teaching you everything that you need to know to become the very best lover in bed. The Sexual Master is 5 modules, step-by-step program designed to provide you with all of the tools that you need to become the very best lover in the bedroom. It's over 5 hours of training videos with me talking all about sex, unlimited access and backed up with exercise sheets to make sure you learn everything and move your bed game up a notch or 10. Gents, please like, share, comment and subscribe. I've been Annabella Rose and I will see you next time.